What's up? I'm organizing stuff, moving, getting things ready. I hope y'all enjoy that video that's coming up ahead. Cause Hello?
Hey buddy, is your fridge running?
Yeah, totally, buddy. My fridge is running. Is your fucking fridge? What the fuck? What the hell are you doing? Yo! So we have 1 out of 2 of the packages. It's from a Yeezy supply, ordered February 11th, 2024. Bruh. Perfect timing, right? Oh shit. So this is the clothing part. This doesn't have the pods in it. Here we have the... What the fuck? What type of string is this? We got the Yeezy 1 shirt. Okay, now this seems pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? Something box. But what the heck? What the hell is that? This looks hella fake. We got the 2. Now this is actually kind of tough. The Boucher shirt. Okay. I still need my damn pods. Guess we're waiting until tomorrow because you're coming late. Hold on. These is mad loose. Okay, let's see what's talking. Big sleeves, tight neck, pause. Look like a prison inmate that just got out. Cheap do. That's what the I still look like a runaway okay, now this one the coldest. With the pants. No wait, I just realized I ain't got no goddamn pockets. I mean, look at that. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Those are copper.
Yo, this is bad.
You're right.
Got this little fucking tear. Oh my god. We're going to the event. About to get in the truck. How y'all doing? We're in the truck right now. All by myself. Wanna be. So right off the bat, we finally got there. It was like 100 packs of honey. You know, we saw some drip, some clothing. You know what I'm saying? I got me a nice little cool shirt. You know what I mean? I also got me a little yum yum. You know what I mean? A little yum yum. Jim was bust. Yup.
We have a lot of Legos never produced.
What the fuck?
Butter and jelly. They got ranch dressing.
Yeah, some sweet corn, ranch dressing. Oh yeah, we gonna get turned tonight. Ain't that right? What? Batman?
Start feeling on his balls.
Yeah! Get that monkey out of my way. You know what? Honey fetch with my strap. Yeah, I'm gonna get him. Can I try this and this stuff on? I'm thinking between that or black and white. That's B-roll, so there won't be audio for it. So now we got that new oosh. See this old this fucking out.
A few moments later.